ʻdɜrvr slash. French, or d'œuvre, ʻdɜrvr, literally apart from the main work or the first course, are food items served before the main courses of a meal, typically smaller than main dishes, and often meant to be eaten by hand. The French spelling is the same for singular and plural usage, ʻdɜrvr unregistered trademark ʻdɜrvr. In English, the a ligature is usually replaced by the digraph a with the plural commonly written ʻdɜrvr and pronounced the same or /dœvz slash. Use: if there is an extended period between when guests arrive and when the meal is eaten, these might also serve the purpose of sustaining guests during the wait, in the same way that copyright aperitifs are served as a drink before meals. Hors d'œuvre are sometimes served with no meal afterward. This is the case with many reception and cocktail party events. Hors d'œuvre may be served at the dinner table as a part of the meal, or they may be served before seating. Hors d'œuvre prior to a meal are either rotated by waiters or passed. Stationary hors d'œuvre served at the table may be referred to as table hors d'œuvre. Passed hors d'œuvre may be referred to as butler style, or butlered hors d'œuvre. Though any food served prior to the main course is technically an hors d'œuvre, the phrase is generally limited to individual items, cheese, or fruit. For example, a glazed fig topped with mascarpone and wrapped with prosciutto is considered an hors d'œuvre, whereas figs on a platter are not. Examples of hors d'œuvre include other languages and cultures. Antipasto or entrada are served as hors d'œuvre in Southern Europe. Appetizers are served in the United States, and is the most common term for hors d'œuvre. Starters are served in the UK and Ireland, and are the colloquial term for hors d'œuvre. ʻdʜrvr unregistered trademark ʻdʜrvr is Vietnamese for hors d'œuvre. Lan pa nac, or kiao nkia pamel ea are terms used for hors d'œuvre in Mandarin. Mise, a selection of small dishes served in Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Balkan cuisine. Zakouski are hors d'œuvre in cuisines of Russia and other post-Soviet countries. II plus or minus gianchi before dish, or I 1/4 I florin euro II euro appetizer. Appetizer is Korean for hors d'œuvre. Sensai is Japanese for hors d'œuvre, or more commonly, angstrom doberu, which is a direct transcription of hors d'œuvre. Voor direct in Dutch, which means the dish before the main course. Pembuka is Indonesian for hors d'œuvre. Mokabalat is Arabic for hors d'œuvre. Yumkolta plus or minus is Turkish for hors d'œuvre, gallery. See also. References